Hey guys, and welcome back to the Do-It-Yourself Car Mod segment. Alright guys, so in today's episode I am going to show you how to properly apply a decal to your vehicle. So let's get started. So you are going to need a squeegee. I have a large squeegee here, and I also have a flat edge applicator tool, and then I have a lens cloth. I'm going to wrap the lens cloth onto this applicator tool, and that is going to act as a small squeegee for little air bubbles that may be under the decal once I apply it. Over here I have soap. You are going to need a non-abrasive soap. This is pretty much a baby shampoo. And right over here I have a spray bottle and water, and I'll pretty much show you what we're going to do with that in a little bit. And over there you can see that I have a blue spray bottle next to an alcohol bottle. I'm going to put that alcohol inside of that spray bottle, and then all the way on the end in that brown box is the actual window decal. And like always, I am going to have a link to all of these materials in the description box below. Alright guys, so first things first, you do want to make sure that you have your vehicle in a cool and shaded area. So after that, you do want to put your alcohol inside of a spray bottle. Alright, so now this next step will be to mix your water with your soap, and I'm pretty much going to put maybe like 2 or 3 squirts of this soap and then just fill up the rest with my water. And just give it a little bit of a shake, and there you go, you have your soapy solution right there. Alright, so now you want to make your surface very soapy up there, so I'm going to put soap all on that upper, maybe like 1/8 portion of my windshield. I'm going to put my soapy solution on. Smells good. Alright, so now that I have my soapy solution on my windshield, I am going to get my decal and peel off the back of my decal. Alright, so I'm going to apply this portion right here. I'm going to keep on peeling it off of the back. I'm going to go on the other side here. You got to move quickly before this stuff dries. I don't want this to start drying on. So you're going to keep the back wet. Keep everything wet. Keep the backing of the decal wet as well as you peel it off. Okay, keep it wet. Keep everything really wet. And then you're going to slide it to the proper position. I got to go on the other side. It's drying. And once you get it to the right position, just get all of these soapy water bubbles out. You have to be patient with it, of course. I'm gonna let it dry just a little bit, and I'm gonna peel off that clear transfer tape, and we're gonna see the final product. Alright, so it has just been about 15 minutes, so I'm going to now peel off this clear plastic portion of the decal. But all in all, I really like this decal right here on my 2017 Hyundai Veloster. I feel like it's the perfect do-it-yourself car modification that you can do to your vehicle that will really make it stand out from the crowd. I mean, let alone the Veloster stands out from the crowd. But once you put on this decal, it definitely adds that extra pizzazz that will definitely turn many heads. Well, that's it for this do-it-yourself car mods episode. Comment and tell me what you would like to see in future videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Marcus, and thanks for watching Drive and Be Driven. Keep it positive, and I'll see you next time. You can become a Drive and Be Driven driver today. Just simply click the subscribe button and you will become a part of the Drive and Be Driven circle. Subscribing will allow you to stay up to date with the Drive and Be Driven YouTube channel. Thank you to all of my current Drive and Be Driven drivers for driving me towards my goals and dreams. Stay subscribed for more awesome videos like this one.